Hello everyone, it's Millicent. Welcome to Jiangsu Yutong drying engineering company, and it's established in 2000 year with more than 22 experience. We are with famous specialized in the drying, mixing, granulating, and pharmaceutical industrial, food industrial. So let's go inside the factory with me together. Hello, we can see here. Here is our office building, and follow me. This way here is the workshop. Hello everyone, we can see here there are many certificates. Like this wall, we have ISO 9001, like high quality certificate with international quality system, excellent private enterprises in Jiangsu province. Here are our certificate of inventional patent. And this way here is the certificate for measurement qualified. This way here is environmental management system certificate. And the last one here is quality management system certificate. Hi guys, here is our technology department.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.